Hey guys, what's up and welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to be once again talking about the Caddx Orca. Now this is not a review of the Caddx Orca. That video is coming, but I'm still working on it. But today I have been doing some testing with some ND filters, and I'm going to share with y'all just kind of my findings really quick. So let's get into this. So what ND filter am I using? Well, this is the Race Day Quads ND8 filter. I bought the 3-pack of them about a week or two ago. They're really cheap. You can pick them up for like $8 for a 3-pack, and it's not glass. It's literally just a sticker that sticks on here, and it works pretty well. So I've been playing around with those, trying to find an ND filter that I like and that I want to use to get kind of the look out of this camera that I want. And I've found it, and I'll kind of get into that later. Let's talk about ND filter settings. So I basically did 3 different tests with the ND filter. So the first clip, or one clip, is with no ND filter whatsoever. Shutter speed locked at auto and ISO locked at 100. One clip is going to be the ND8 filter, with shutter speed locked at auto and ISO locked at 100. And the third and final clip is going to be with an ND16 filter, shutter speed locked at 160 and ISO locked at 100. All the exposures across the board are 0. Now, I'm going to talk to you about what settings I liked the best, and then, but if you like a different one, you can look at the footage and kind of form your own opinion. So I liked the ND8 filter with ISO locked at 100 and shutter speed at auto. The reason why is because I have a very snappy, kind of aggressive flying style, and when I'm doing all the really quick, fast snap moves that I like to do, on the ND16 setting, I couldn't really tell what was happening. Everything was just kind of a blur. So if you like flying maybe kind of slow and cinematic, then yeah, I think you'll like the way the ND16 setting looks. But if you're the kind of person like me who likes to do a lot of quick, fast, snappy flips and tricks and stuff like that, like Rubik's Cubes and whatnot, and Rubik's Loops, I like the ND8 filter with shutter speed and ISO locked at 100. With the ND filter on it, it added just a little bit of motion blur, but not so much that just everything else was just kind of a blur, like the ND16 filter did. It kind of took away some of the camera's inherent sharpness. It kind of made everything look a bit more fluid, but not so fluid that everything is or was blurry. So going forward on the Caddx Orca, I'm going to be running this ND8 filter on it with the settings that I just described. But without further ado, I'm going to show y'all just all 3 of these clips, and just decide for yourselves which ones y'all like. Leave a comment down below about what y'all thought of each of these clips. I would love to hear your feedback, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye!